Hello my YouTube subscriber. uh, so today I am going to make an impromptu video, just to say that the date today is 15th August 2022, and I think that let us discuss and wear some made in India watches. So today I have been wearing this beautiful HMT Pilot limited edition, one of the most beautiful and most rare HMT Pilot in my collection. And I'm making this video while I am waiting for someone in my car, so I thought let me give you a glimpse of this HMT Pilot here. So I have made reviews about this, revisiting reviews about this as well for quite some time, but this time I wanted to show you this watch one more time. So this has been in my collection since around, I think it was 2015, and since then I have been wearing this. I have paired this up with a very beautiful strap, a local purchase strap that matches the color of the hand. The dial here is part guilloche, part plain with metallic indices. That goes really good. Very well made. The painted blue hands with the hint of loom here, as in ordinary pilots. The 36mm case with 0231 hand winding movement, that is the legendary workhorse, I think the hand winding movement in the house of HMT. So here is the case back. This is not the limited 500 numbers that was produced as per one group project. This is the re-release version, still very limited by HMT around in some later years. I think if it is 0398, I think this has been fitted in some another case with another case back. So 03, I think this is the Chinar factory case back here. So it's quite good, really well made watch. So this is what made in India watches look, and I'm really proud to have one. So if you haven't like, share and subscribe this video, do it, and also press the bell icon. Do subscribe to my channel. There are more videos coming. Pardon the background noise because this is a very impromptu video that I have been making. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, stay well, have a nice evening.